Don't let the Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140 DLL stop your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is the safe method to clear it for good. To kick off the Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140, the Managed Microsoft Foundation class MFC library for Visual Studio 2015-2022. It provides the bridge between managed.NET code and the native C++ MFC UI framework. It is a mandatory requirement for modern desktop utilities that combine CPy's and C++. If missing, the app will fail with a side-by-side configuration error or report that the MFC managed runtime could not be found. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Reinstalling Visual C Runtime Stack will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C redistributables and install them. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Foundation Class Managed Library 140. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Remember that Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140 DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140 environment. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one from Microsoft Foundation class Managed Library 140, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.